Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Here with the RIOT, and this lesson, it is available in the free course on how to invest. I've been discussing the investment process in this company since we downgraded it to junk with a target price 0, which is the title of this lesson. Well, basically, it is to inform you that going forward, I'm short the stock above $6. I'm going to explain my point of view. These are the comments and the chart from the previous lesson. So what I'm going to do is to delete all this stuff. Except this comment here for the moment, okay? So the short position, it was closed. We upgraded, let's say, this company, okay? By the way, if you ever see upgrade to strong buy in a speculative company, this upgrade to strong buy, if we gave a rating strong buy, it is well explained, okay? It is not an investment. Even if RIOT, the share price, would trade one day at $10 or $12, we would never, this is very important for people to comprehend, we will not ever upgrade to strong buy considering RIOT an investment, okay? We explain the reasons why we upgraded the RIOT blockchain. This is very important. And the objective in RIOT blockchain, as well as basically in any other or in the markets, is to maximize your return on investment.